What is up guys, welcome to this new video of AI Inside. Today I'm gonna show you how you can use this app called LifeSum. It's a food tracker and you can find recipes, for example diet plans. So let's get into this tutorial. First, of course, we download the app and we open it. I already use it, as you can see. At the first page we see our diary, our breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, water, exercise, and your goal weight. More about that later. Here you can fill in your breakfast, your lunch, and etc. So if you got some yogurt for our breakfast, you can search for it, and we click on 100 grams, for example, and then you see your carbs, protein, your fat. Depends on what yogurt you eat, of course, but that's how it works. Here you can just click on how many glasses of water you've had in the day. And this isn't necessary, but you can track your exercise with, if you have an iPhone, with the health app. Here you can see your progress. I'm now using it for 19 days. And this weight you can set for yourself, but it's not very accurate like how I did it. And if you click on this green plus icon, you can choose weight to breakfast to whatever you've ate. So if you want to add another lunch or dinner, you click on dinner and then you can fill it in. It's the same as diary. And here you can find programs for fasting, for high protein, balanced, detox, whatever you want. And not everything is free in this app. Here you can take the test, for example if you're vegan, and then you answer all these questions and it's gonna make a plan for you. And at the last icon we see recipes. You can find recipes whatever you want, high protein for example, and there we have protein packed vanilla cottage. But for the last page, recipes, you need premium. This app is also paid, but you can use it for free if you want. It still tracks your food, your calories, your protein, your fat and carbs for free. So you just fill this in and then you can see everything you've ate. So that was it for today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more app tutorials, let me know in the comments and see you in the next video.